Hey guys, Adrian here, a member of the Visible Banking team. Since 2007, we've championed social media and financial services. Did you know our team are now tracking well over 3,000 social media assets in over 78 countries? Throughout this video series, we're going to be reviewing a wide range of iOS apps from banks and insurance firms with a key focus on customer perception and, of course, brand opportunity. You know, recently most financial institutions aim to turn savers into investors, and one of the best ways to do that is through the gamification process. And that's what we're going to be taking a look at with today's app, Tradr, Tradr for the iPad. It's also available on the iPhone. Tradr is a virtual, essentially a virtual stock market. You get to buy, sell, you get to raise a company, get jobs, earn money. It's a virtual market for you to experience and have a hand at saving, investing, all of that good stuff. So, taking a look at the app here, you can see you have my portfolio. This is the home page here. You sign up for an account. You have your own company right here. So you can see Kid Guru Company is mine, and you can see its sale value is currently at $2,500. You can see your coins on the overview here, your current level. So there's over 999 levels. I'm only level 1. You can see my hourly earning, how many gems I've earned, and the hourly coins, along with other tasks like creating another business if I want to do that, upgrading the gem store, and socializing aspect. So the gem store allows you to upgrade coins and hours, and basically you can get more through in-app purchases. Friends allow you to enhance your experience by seeing their market. You can compete with them. They also help out in getting better jobs, all of that good stuff. And of course, you can create more businesses to add on to your empire. So again, at its core, Tradr is a virtual market. You can see here you have the buy field. So you can go through here, you can see your bank account, you can purchase other companies, you can buy accessories through these different categories. So for example, if I want to get a certificate, I can look at the items of certificates here and buy any of these with the money I have. Additionally, you can go into the market, of course, to see the current market and how it's going. You can see coins, the market updates, the highest market, the lowest market, overall market value, and of course the markets themselves, how they're doing, whether they're high or low, and their sell price. Jobs allow you to see the jobs you're allowed to work, and this corresponds to how many hours you have available, how many friends you have, and what level you are. So for example, you start out with 10 hours of work in the workday. You can see on the left here, I've already used 2 of those, so I have 8 hours of work left. So I can choose to work as a worker here, tap on worker, and confirm and get my pay. You can see my hours now go down. Lastly, you have the social aspect. You can see recent activities and discuss everything on the forums, or just browse all of your recent activities here. Again, you can also add friends to get that mix of everything. All right, so overall at Tradr as a virtual market, how what is it rated? And I would definitely give it a 6 out of 10. It's an average application. It's great at what it does, and it does give you a hand at the stock market somehow, and owning a business and buying assets and that sort of things. But it's not that innovative. The market itself is pretty general. It does have a nice auto-updating market, and you can see, it refreshes constantly, and it has a nice little display of the market here. But again, it's really general. There's a lot of other apps out there that actually give you real stock quotes from big companies like Ford, for example, General Motors, Apple. They give you real tech stocks, real electronic stocks. Well, these are more just general stocks here. So you can see here I can go into electricity, enter an amount I want, for example, or I can just buy max. So let's say I just want to buy, I'll buy 700 shares. I can just do that and easily buy the shares just like that. But again, these are more general categories, not really teaching you about the real market and how it's really doing in today's economy. So it doesn't innovate too much in that. As a recommendation to my friends, yeah, it is a fun game to recommend to your friends because you can add them, send gifts, and it does help you in the whole experience of getting better work and stuff like that. The jobs category is definitely something that this has going for it, and you can, by getting more friends, you can level up, and you can all kind of help out each other. And after going through the game and selling and you can make multiple companies and all of that, and just kind of at the core, it is a virtual game. It does kind of give you that sense of you want to take risks in that it's a little bit, you can see that high risk, high reward sort of situations that's plays out in real life. So it does kind of give you that feeling of, you invest and you may see a really good return, and that may give you the notion that you may want to consider that something more risky and higher investment. So, for example, I may buy a couple shares in this one thing while the market's low, and then when it's high, I can sell those shares for a lot, and that may convince me to buy more and more shares or do a little bit of riskier deals throughout the game. And at the overall state, in correlating it back to real life, this is something that banks, I think, could definitely capitalize off in sponsoring these type of gamification games that take investing, that take saving, and all that. And if they could just sponsor these sort of games, I think it would definitely kind of it gives the user a feel of how to actually put their hand at the stock market, put their hand at business, buying businesses, selling stuff without actually spending real money. But if they see a bank's real name attached to that, you never know how that can correspond to them actually trying it out in real life. They think that after trying in a virtual stock market, that they may want to just give an opportunity in real life. So it's definitely something that banks should consider. So again, at an overall, it really is a really great app. It's a fun app, and it has a nice user interface, easy to browse, and has all these great little things like the jobs and overall. And the gamification process of it, I think, is really great. It's a fun thing for these apps that like stocks and stuff like that, to have a virtual market for people who just want to try it out, have fun, see what they can do overall. So what do you think of the app? Are you an advocate of gamification in banking? Any suggestions for future app reviews? Join the conversation, help us out. If you've enjoyed this video, we invite you to like it, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more, and of course visit visiblebanking.com to learn how to excel in digital engagement and achieve social media ROI. Thanks for watching.